गालिब की हवेली, रिवाइविंग द फेडिंग वर्ल्ड ऑफ गालिब। ये मसाइल ए तसव्वुफ, ये तेरा बयान गालिब, तुझे हम वली समझते जो ना बादा ख्वार होता। In the couplet, Ghalib is telling himself that the way he talks of philosophy and the mystical way in which he explains it, he would have been considered a saint if he was not a drunkard. These ethereal lines by 200 years old Urdu poet Mirza Ghalib don't seem to have lost their glory even today. However, the life of this timeless poet and his work in yesteryears were somewhere being neglected until the government of Delhi, along with a few philanthropists, took an initiative to revive and preserve the story of Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan or Ghalib in 1999. Location: located in the narrow lanes of Gali Qasim Jan in Old Delhi, Ghalib ki Haveli echoes the story of Ghalib's final days of life. Earlier, the Haveli was taken over by general public and was used for commercial purposes. But in 1999, the government of Delhi reclaimed the Haveli and began restoring it. However, a large part of Haveli couldn't be taken back and restored. Therefore, a very small portion was worked upon. The walls were adorned with divans, ghazals, and various portraits of Ghalib. The Haveli has been turned into Ghalib's memorial and also inhabits portraits of contemporaries of Ghalib as well. One can also find a dummy of Ghalib with hookah and liquor glass inside the Haveli, portraying his immense love for liquor. A sculpture of the Ghalib that was sculpted by a well-known artist, Bhagwan Rampure, was unveiled by ex-Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit in 2010, and it was commissioned by popular poet and lyricist Gulzar. The Haveli was strategically restored, and keeping the Mughal essence intact in the Haveli was the priority of the restorers. Hence, while unraveling the Haveli, the large columns and bricks are reminiscence of Mughal Empire in Delhi, which provide an insight to unseen history. The Haveli caretaker says that it visited by a lot of people every day, and therefore Ghalib will never be lost in nothingness. He is also of the view that posterity remembers Ghalib because of his words and ideas, and both of them are immortal. Haveli, a witness of change. The self-oblivion state which Ghalib advocated was often mistaken as his atheism. He perhaps believed in a universal God and was closer to the truth of this bond between creature and creator. While efforts are being made to bring back this fading glory, it was disheartening to see how only a handful of natives knew about this memorial of most widely read Indo-Persian poet. Ghalib witnessed the dusk of Mughal era and advent of British rule. Hence, Ghalib's Haveli is a witness of mankind standing at the brink of change. The Haveli seems to inhabit the truth-seeking Sufi Ghalib in its every single brick, and visitors can really feel and connect to this spiritually enticing experience when they read the timeless couplets adorning the walls of the Haveli. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.